Here's an application problem on primary trigonometric ratios. Question 23. Two roads diverge at a 90 degrees angle. Two bike riders take separate routes at 17 kilometers per hour and 24 kilometers per hour. How far apart are they after 2 hours? So this is our diagram, and these are the two bike riders. One is going east, 24 kilometers per hour, and the other one is going north, 17 kilometers per hour. So that is a 90 degrees, right? And they are going on different paths. Now after 2 hours, what will be the distance covered? So in 2 hours, let's say the person going east will go 2 times 24, and so this distance becomes 48, correct? And the person going north in 2 hours will cover 2 times 17, so this is 34, correct? So one way is to use Pythagorean theorem and solve this, correct? So we can have a square plus b square square root, which will give us the distance between them. So that is the distance between them. So we can solve this using Pythagorean theorem also, correct? The other way is to use trigonometric ratios. Now we can find what this angle is, right? Using tan ratio, and then find using tan ratio what d is, right? So let's use the trigonometric method to solve this problem. Let us say this angle is x. In that case, tan of x is equals to 34 over 48, and therefore x equals to tan inverse of 34 over 48, which is tan inverse of 34 divided by 48, 35.31 degrees, right? Now if we know this angle x, we can always find d, the distance between them, using sine or cosine. So let's use sine with opposite side 34. So we know sine of x, which is sine of 35.31, is equals to 34 over d, and therefore d, the distance between them after 2 hours, is equals to 34 divided by sine of 35.31 degrees, right? So we can say 34 divided by sine of 35.31, which gives 58.82. So the distance between them after 2 hours is 58.82 kilometers, right? So we can say approximately, so the answer is approximately, distance is 58.8 kilometers after 2 hours, right? So I hope you understand and appreciate how we did this question, right? You can always confirm this by doing a square plus b square square root. So the key here is to find their position after 2 hours, right? Which is, so let me write this here. So the key here is find position after 2 hours, right? So position, let's say this is going east and this is going north, right? So position along east is 24 times 2, right? 24 times 2, which is 48. This is along east, and along north is 34 times 2, or 17 times 2, which is 34. Since the speed is 17 kilometers per hour and 24 kilometers per hour, correct? So this is along the north, right? And then we have a triangle which can be solved using trigonometric ratios, or since this is a right triangle, we can also use Pythagorean theorem, right? So that is how we can solve this. Thank you.